Hello everyone, welcome to this new Siesta Cloud Additions review. I am so excited, you guys. It's been so long since Siesta has released anything in this edition. The original edition had 4 colors. As you guys know, cloud gray was bae for me. Beautiful, beautiful pair of gray lenses. Now they've added 4 new colors to their collection. And wow, I am so happy because I think Cloud is one of their best series. So this is Cloud Ocean. As you can see, it's a pretty bright mid-tone blue. As with all Cloud lenses, these lenses have a cloudy kind of pattern, which I really love. I think it looks very natural. There's absolutely zero pixelation in this line. I really like that. Adds to the realism. As you can see, there is a lot of play up with opacity with these lenses. So you can actually see my iris coming through the contact lens and actually merging and blending with the color of the contact lens to create this kind of brown, bluish sort of color, and also kind of green, right? So beautiful, beautiful mid-tone blue color. Also, this line is very enlarging. It's got a little bit of a larger graphic diameter. So as you can see, I have a blue limbo ring on the outside of my eye, which I still think I can pull off. But these are going to give you that baby doll look. So if you love round, big eyes, all of the lenses in this line are going to create that effect for you. So really pretty pair of blue lenses. And I will also be comparing all of these lenses to the original collection, you know, whatever colors look similar. And also, you guys, this line does not have bug eye effect because of the low opacity of these lenses. There's no really blunt pupil hole at all. It's extremely blended, extremely feathered, so you don't get that bug eye effect with the Cloud series, which is another amazing bonus. Hello everyone, here is the Cloud Dusk. Wow, these are a beautiful color combination. So it's not just one color gradient for this particular color. They actually merged sort of like purple bluish with kind of pink actually. When I slip it in my eye, when I look in the mirror in person, it looks like a mid-tone purple color. And then you can also see my brown iris poking through. So it has this gorgeous combination of sort of brown, pink, purple. But from a normal talking distance, it looks like I have violet eyes. So beautiful. I think these are my new favorite pair of purple lenses. They're so pretty. They're a subtle purple. I can wear them out. They don't look cosplay. They don't look fake. No bug eye effect. They blend beautifully with medium brown eyes. I'm not sure about dark brown eyes. I think they would give them a purple kind of hue. And if you look really close on the footage, for some reason the camera kind of makes it almost look navy blue. But then you can also see the sort of flecks of pink in the patterning. If you look closely, gives it some dimension, some detail. And overall, it comes off as a gorgeous color. And again, these lenses are enlarging. So they give you a kind of youthful look because they make your eyes look round. Beautiful pair of purple lenses, you guys. If you are into the purple and the violet, this is definitely one to add to your collection. Hello everyone, so here is Cloud Berry. Very similar to Cloud Dusk. They both have the same base color, which is that beautiful blue violet color. The only difference I would say is that the Cloud Berry doesn't have the pink streaks going throughout the pattern. It's all one color gradient with just changes in opacity. So still overall an absolutely gorgeous purple blue lens. These lenses are going to suit those, especially those with a cooler skin tone. But I think if you have a warmer skin tone, you can still pull this off, because your brown, when it comes through the lens, it warms the lens up. So it gives it more of a warm toned kind of hue. I think personally you can pull these lenses off if you have any kind of features, pale skin, dark skin, olive, tanned, whatever hair color. And also, I want to assure you that in person, if you have medium or dark brown eyes, these lenses do not have a bug eye effect, I can assure you. And I just think they make you look so cute, because again, they're really enlarging lenses, and they do have that really subtle dark limbo ring to frame and define the eye. So here is the last color in the collection, which is the Cloud Moss. Beautiful, beautiful, extremely natural, realistic, and subtle. Sort of, I don't want to say it's an army green, you guys, because there aren't really any warm tones in this lens. I don't really see much yellow. I don't see a whole lot of brown, aside from the brown poking through from my own iris. This is sort of a cool toned kind of muted green, and then if you look really close around the outside, you'll see that they splashed a little bit of a white sheen over top to make them a little bit brighter and pop a little bit more. But I still want to say that these are very, very realistic, natural, subtle green lenses. And I do want to point out that they do not lighten my medium brown eyes, they change the color. So I want to point that out to you guys, but overall, they're still going to make your eyes stand out, because again, they change the color to something that's a little bit more unique. They make your eyes look kind of hazelish. And then because they're so enlarging with that beautiful, subtle, dreamy, dark green limbo ring, they really do make your eyes pop and stand out, but in a very subtle, realistic way. Beautiful, beautiful pair of green, hazel green lenses. I think this is my favorite pair of green, sort of hazel colored lenses in this entire collection, to be quite honest, you guys. But I am going to throw in some comparisons of Moss versus Cloud Green from the original, and also Moss versus Cloud Brown. So right now, for the next 2 weeks, COLORCL is running a launch promotion. These lenses are $13 US per prescription pair. Each pair lasts 6 months, and if you use my discount code Danica10, you can get that price down to $12.15 US per pair. If you are wanting to try out any of these lenses, I'll link them all below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next color contact video. Bye!